Hello guys, it's me Tamjid again and today I'm going to
again. ওই যে কি পোস্ট করছো তোমার ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে? Is it post?
we are now play. So first I'm gonna play with this jail. Then I'm just gonna play with police. So let's get started. So I'm in the jail and I'm gonna show you how to just get out of this jail. So you just punch. Okay. You have to just punch. Now I think this gate should be open.
Download Roblox. I'll play it. And now a friend will join. Now I will join with this game. So wait, you did tell. You posted video tamjid.
No.
So that means you don't know me.
So my friend is over here today, so I'm gonna show you how to play this whole game.
And I will also join too because his
Okay,
sister
first,
and his sister has his money's phone. So and I also play Roblox, and I also have my own YouTube channel called Irish Fantasy World. So I also have my 2 accounts. So I'm gonna join with Tamjid right now. Come on, guys, I'm doing a video. Let me do one thing, one important thing. That's not
you. Okay, now we have to just hold this.
and then you go to the sewer. Now go
Now,
to the sewer.
There are no police. Hey, why
There's
did you left me?
There was a police car in the under sewers. There was a
Let's
police
go.
car. Don't touch the. Watch out for something. There has to be a swamp.
Okay.
Watch out. There's
So
also.
I'm just going to get out. I'm getting out.
And there's also another way by going on the toilet. Go
Yeah.
inside the toilet, then you go on the pipes, and then it will lead you back to the water. Right, Tamjid?
Yeah. So I'm just out. So I just escaped.
And now you have to look for a car
Now I'm going to play.
as the police.
Yeah. So I'm the police now.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna catch some bad thieves.
Very badder than ever, right?
Yeah.
I can help you by looking the red one. Those are thieves. And find a red one, then that's a thief.
Hey, wait.
That's the thief. Oh no, he's a good guy.
Okay, let's go.
This is kind of fun, Tamjid.
So we're just whoa!
Whoa!
We just fly.
And then we upside down fly. Oh no. Oh, he flipped. Go back. Then oh my god, you're gone and drive. You can.
Hey, wait. Hey, wait.
He left you, Tamjid.
Why did you left me?
Because
Is
he.
there any helicopter that can pick me up? Anybody?
No. I think they're gonna be like here for hours. Oh, no, I hear a train.
Here's the train. We have to catch it. Catch it, guys.
Catch it. Then you.
No. No.
Now you're stuck on this hill.
Let me just follow this train line and see.
What happened? I thought you disconnected.
train line until I can see a plane or
And
a
then-
thief.
And then the train hit you and then you miss.
No train. Why isn't there any thief?
Wait, that's the military.
Oh, there's the plane! There's the plane!
You mean the helicopter. Now get the helicopter. Now pass. Pass. Pass like this.
Why can't I get it?
Wait. Someone has to drive it. So, no, তুমি seat করতে পারবে না. Wait. Go with that guy. Go with that guy. Go with that guy. Bad luck, tamjid. I'm stop, please. I can't do this anymore. Keep saying this, I can't do it.
I have to start.
You don't delete it, then I'm not gonna help you.
I can't. Oh, there's the briefcase. We have to get it.
Yeah, briefcases. Yeah.
Just crawl.
There's no. Tamjid, you can do that in.
Hey, there's plane.
No, that was.
Take me, plane.
There's a guy following you. You're going really slow. Come up. There's no prisoner. What happened?
He just crashed the plane. I have to go quickly.
Okay, you got 5,140,000.
Go there before the plane is launched.
Just go and play by yourself.
The plane is going to be launched. What? Seriously? Ah, there's the plane. Just take me.
Okay, there's a helicopter. It will not catch you. Get the helicopter. Type in help, and then shunbe, and then help Corbitor.
Come. Just take me.
You don't have voice chat anyway. There's actually a voice chat, but you don't have that. You can just type it out.
Plane crash. The plane crash. Don't go plane. Until I
Wait,
come.
we can get a plane already. You can fly the plane, can't you?
I can't.
Cannot. Wait, get that bazooka up there. Get that bazooka. The bazooka.
Just take me. Why don't you take me?
A train. Train.
I'm going to the train.
Wow, is this what people do on trains? Oh, yay. Choo, choo, choo. Yay, this is the best train ever.
I
Yay.
need to just get up to loot. You want?
Yay. Oh, no. Watch out for the tunnel. Okay? Oh, no. Why you arm balloon? See? And now, whoa.
So I'm just gonna find some like thieves.
Back at the city.
Yeah. So isn't there any thieves? I need some thieves. Let's take a.
Oh, no. Your fault. You just fall, Tamjid. Now you can jump. Now you're on the water. You can't fall on the water, then you die. How long are you here? You're gonna fall if you do this.
There's the plane. I need to catch it.
Then you're gonna fall off.
I need to go. I need to leave this place.
You jumped on it.
Where's the plane? Now I lost the plane.
How do you got here? Get that ball. Now jump, jump, jump. No.
The train just left me.
No.
Oh, no. Okay, that's how you play, guys. So, bye-bye. So, before I end this video, just subscribe the video and click the bell item. Then
And
to all. Then
don't make
and please use the star code tamjid rule. Okay?